In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum based on a category in Google Sheets. If you're tired of manually adding up items like rent, groceries, or travel every month, this will save you time and eliminate mistakes. We're going to use a single simple formula called sumif to total only the rows that match a category you care about, such as food. Here's how it works. Click into an empty cell where you want the total to appear, then start by typing sumif. This function adds numbers only when a specific condition is met. Think of it in three parts. First, the column that contains your categories. Second, the exact category you want to match, written in quotes. And third, the column that has the amounts you want to add. After typing sumif, highlight the column that holds your categories. This could be something like the entire A column if your labels, such as food, rent, or utilities, are listed there. You can select by clicking the column letter to include all current and future rows. Then type a comma to move to the next part. Next, type the category you want in quotes. For example, food. Quotes matter because you're telling Sheets to look for that exact word. Spelling must match your labels, but don't worry about capitalization. Sumif isn't case sensitive. Type another comma, and now highlight the column with your prices or amounts, such as column B. Again, you can select the full column so it works as your list grows. When you're done, press Enter. Google Sheets immediately scans the entire list and totals only the items labeled food. If you later change a category label in your list, the total updates instantly. Add new rows? They're included automatically if you selected full columns. It's fast, accurate, and requires no extra maintenance. A few tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your amounts are stored as numbers, not text, so they're actually summed. Keep category names consistent. Avoid accidental spaces before or after words, and stick to a standard spelling. If you have headers at the top, selecting full columns still works fine. Sumif will ignore the text header when adding numbers. You can also format the result cell as currency to make your totals easier to read. That's it. With one formula, you've turned a messy list into a clean, automated total for the category you care about. Follow for more Google Sheets tips.